We are covering a winter blast as blizzard conditions are pounding the mid-Atlantic and the East Coast this pre-holiday weekend. Traveling conditions have been crippled and holiday shoppers are staying away today as Washington and Philadelphia are expecting 20 inches of snow and New York and Boston could get 16 inches. Hello, I'm Elliot Lipton and welcome to News Now's continuing coverage of this pending blizzard in the East Coast. First of all, we begin with your travel conditions. Reagan National Airport in Washington, D.C. has canceled all flights to and from until tomorrow morning at 5 a.m. They are just giving up here as 1 to 2 inches an hour are falling in Washington. American Airlines has canceled all flights to and from D.C., Philadelphia, and Baltimore airports as well. Delta Airlines has issued several advisories around the East Coast and Mid-Atlantic for multiple cities as well, either majorly delaying flights or canceling them. Several people are stranded in roads in the Virginias. One eyewitness says she has been stranded since yesterday and has only traveled 10 miles in 19 hours. Well, here are your airport delays. Like I said earlier, airlines are canceling their flights right now, and the only place we are actually seeing problems at the moment is in Reagan, actually, but that will change sooner or later as Philadelphia will be pounded with this snow. And here are your weather graphics. This is a snapshot taken just moments ago from the streets of Washington, D.C., where visibility is only about a block, and the White House is nearly invisible from all the snow. Here are your current winter weather warnings and blizzard warnings with integrated radar as well. These warnings go from the Mid-Atlantic all the way up right here in Boston. Speaking of Boston, how much snow will we get here in Boston? Well, these are our snow predictions from News Now, the News Now Weather Center, all the way up to Lawrence. The Bay State can expect between 8 and 16 inches of snow. The South Shore, Boston, Cape, the end of the Cape near P-Town might see a little bit less snow, but that 8 to 16 inches for most of the Bay State and southern New England as well. And then just a little bit up from that, we could see 5 to 10 inches. So still the chance for almost a foot of snow. And then in southern Maine and southern New Hampshire, you could see 3 to 7 inches of snow. Here's what it looks like on our radar map in Boston. The snow is creeping its way up, and look at that in Washington, where the radar is definitely picking up that heavy snow falling. That is going to do it for now. We'll have